Hi, creator. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel, the channel that brings you the creativity of the world graphic.
If you are new here, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be the first person to always get updates from this channel. Thank.
In today's video, we are going to be learning how to design this.
Welcome guys, welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. I always say I'm doing good. In today's tutorial, we're going to be designing social media flyer, a tech bootcamp flyer. Somebody requested for it, so I'm making the act of request. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to the business of today. So the first thing I have to do is to change my background color to white color. So I'm going to change to white color. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click my plus button. Then I'm going to bring out this this. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to reduce the size. Reduce the size, good. Oh, so much fun request these days. Reduce the size. So it's actually okay. Let's just put it around there. So after you are done, the next thing I'm going to bring out is my shadow event. So I'm going to bring shadow event from gallery. Good. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change the color to white color. Change it to white color. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to rotate it a little bit. Rotate it something like this. Good. Put it something like this. Duplicate it. Good. Then put it here. Good. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do is to lock it. Then duplicate it again. Now rotate it back to normal. Good. So I'm going to place it here now. The next thing I'm going to do is duplicate it again, so I can cover this place very well. Good. So can you see we're actually moving forward? Good. So I'm going to work on this part a little bit. So actually okay like this. So what is the next I'm going to do? The next I'm going to do now is to bring out, is to write my text. Then I'm going to write a 3 days. Let's assume this is fictional or design. A 3 days, good. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my color, change to this black color, this graded black color, this black and ash. Then go to my font. Then I'm going to change the font to something this. Yeah, this is in your Pixellab. This, good. So next time I'm going to put it, place it there. So the next time I'm going to do is to duplicate it again. Then I'm going to write online, just ordinary online. So I'm going to increase this one a little bit. Then I'm going to place it here. Good. So can you that you are actually moving forward? If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. So this time I'm going to just go to my text again. Then I'm going to click on Bootcamp. Tech Bootcamp. Tech Bootcamp. So I'm going to change to this. So go to color, change to this red and black color. Then go to your font. Then you can actually use outfit board for the font. Outfit semi board. So the next time I'm going to use to place it here. Then reduce it. So let it be aligned with the online. So let's work on this now. Good. Can you see it? we're actually moving forward. So after this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my gallery, click from shape, I mean. Then I'm going to put it all around there. I'm going to change the color to black to red color. Then I'm going to bring it there. Okay, so let's check on it now. So can you see that we are actually moving forward? Good. A 3 days online bootcamp. So the next I'm going to do is to click on my test again. Then I'm going to write what you will learn. What you will learn. Good. So I'm going to change it to the color to red color. So after that, you go to your font, then change the font to, so you can actually use the same semi-bold for it. Then you have to remove it. Or the font need to be changed. So I think we should use montestera semi-bold for it. Good. So montestera semi-bold will work for it very well. So I'm going to change it to calculator. I'm going to drag it here. Good. So what is the next I'm going to do? The next I'm going to do is to click on my text. Then I'm going to write this stuff that I wrote here on my so this, let's assume this is what they want to teach. This is what they want to teach. So what I'm going to do, the next I'm going to do is to go to my gallery, go to my font. Then change the font to semi-outbold, the modest outfit semi-bold. So you go to your color, then you change it to actually black color. Good. So you can actually reduce it now. Go to your text, then you reduce it now. So let's assume onto it here. So it's too much, so I'm going to move it a bit here. This one should go a bit. Good. So what is the next I'm going to do? So the next I'm going to do, let me decrease this one a little bit. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my plus button, click on shape, change it to radio change radio to 100. Then actually change this to this color. They can reduce it very well now, so that you bullet those stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do is to increase, to zoom it out. So I'm going to zoom it out, something like this. So I'm going to not reduce it very well, so that I can place it here. So the next time I'm going to do is to position it very well. Then I have to copy it now, duplicate it, use your position. So actually, okay, like this. So I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to move it here. Good. So I'm going to do the same thing to the two now. So let's go. So I'm doing this because of the based on the request for it from someone on this page. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you. And don't forget to comment if you find this video enjoyable or teachable. So the next thing I'm going to do is to do the stuff again. Position it very well now. So I think the alignment is okay, or it is actually not okay. So let me work on the alignment. Should it to be okay? Let's check it. So it is not okay. So I'm going to work on the alignment here. So let's see what we just done right now. So it is actually okay, so we are actually moving forward. So what the next thing I'm going to do? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my plus button. I'm going to click from gallery. So I'm going to my recent and I'm going to click on this. So let's assume this is one of the tech, what they call it, one of tech sign. So let me start from here. What you will learn, so I want to move those things up a little bit so I can put in this tech now. Good. So actually okay like this. So I want to move the tech up a little bit like this. So it's okay, just like this. Then I'm going to drag it to the back of the text. So I'm press it, then drag to the back of the text. So actually okay like this. So we're actually moving forward. Good. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on my plus button. Then I'm going to bring out the image of the woman I want to use. Let's assume the fake editor or the fake instructor. So I'm going to place her here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to reduce a little bit. So I'm going to place her here. So after that, I'm going to drag her to the back of this stuff, of the this stuff, so you can actually see it. So we are actually doing this very well. So what is the next thing we are going to do now? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, click on shape, then you change it to this red color. So let's assume okay, the red color for this one. So I'm going to put it up here now. Sorry for that. So I'm going to put it here. So the next I'm going to do now is to bring up a little bit up. Good. You're actually moving forward. So you lock them, you lock the this stuff, then also lock this. So the next I'm going to do, next I'm going to do, click on my plus button. Then I'm going to click from gallery again. So I'm going to my download. Then I'm going to insert this this stuff. So I'm going to place it all around there. So the next time I'm going to do now is to click on this what you learn. Just click on it, duplicate it, then you double tap it, then you write the date. Let's assume the date is 15 to 18 December, October. So let's assume October 2022. Good. So what is the next I'm going to do now? So the next thing we are going to do is to change the color to white color. You know, what color we don't want to show on this. So you cannot do something like this. Then put it here. So I'm going to zoom in so that we can play this very well. Good. So I'm going to do something like this. So can you see it? We're actually moving forward. So let's see what we're doing. So the date is actually showing. So the next thing I'm going to do right now. So click on this this fronted. Then I'm going to write to register. So let's assume to register. Send to register. Okay, to register, go to, so I'm going to give it this stuff. Go to bit.ly 30, just 3 days bootcamp.com. So let's assume this is the what they call it, to get access to the class. So that is it. So you go to your site, then you can now reduce the site a little bit. Good. So you move it down. You can use the operation key to move it down a little bit. So after that, next thing you're going to do is to go to your relative position, change to the middle. Good. No allow middle. So what is the next I'm going to do? The next I'm going to do right now is to click on my to click on anyone. Just click on this to register a link. Duplicate it. So after that, write Miss Kiki or Miss Kiki, anyone. So let's assume I want to write Miss Kiki. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to drag it here. I'm going to change the color to red color, or let's assume black will be okay for it. To write somebody's name with red color is actually not good, so just write Miss Kiki. Move this one down a little bit. Good. So this one should come down like this. Good. So what is the next I'm going to do right now? So let's assume they have logo. So if they have logo, you can actually put the logo up here. So let's assume they have logo. So just put the logo up here. So can you understand? Just put the logo up here. Put the logo up here. So let's assume they have a logo here. Then you put it up here. So it's okay. So can you see that everywhere? So that is how I got this image. So I'm going to delete this because I'm not using it here. So I'm done with this. So in case you love this tutorial and you love this video, please don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share the video for others to see. So I hope you are done. So now just check the description, you'll see the materials used for the design. Thank you for watching up to now.
Hey creator, thanks for watching up till now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.